hiccups, and whenever you have them, always use these two, or you could just use vinegar. This makes it taste better. Brown sugar and vinegar. Take a spoon and put brown sugar.
So what does the brown sugar do, Logan?
Makes it taste good.
Does it help get rid of the hiccups?
And
What seems to get rid of the hiccups?
the brown sugar. No, not the brown sugar. The vinegar.
The vinegar, okay.
Daddy, don't.
Go ahead, I won't move it.
Then you pour the vinegar on the brown sugar.
You ready?
Then you eat it.
You still got the hiccups?
No, it's just.
Do you still have the hiccups though? Good.
Really tastes bad.
Okay, now say your ABCs and let's see if it's gone.
A, B, C, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
So do they feel like they're gone? Hiccups cured. Logan's magic technique.
Now you pour this in your mouth and drink it all up.
No, thank you. How to get rid of hiccups.
My law.
Click one of these videos for more great Burke Bunch TV. And don't forget to subscribe.
You made it onto my nice list.
As you can see, this fort is huge. It has 3 entrances.